Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Pincers puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely amazing quality. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10, and the object is to fit all three parts inside the frame. This puzzle requires 16 steps to put all three parts inside and 16 more steps to remove all three parts. And out of these three parts you can make 83 different combinations, 3 by 3 by 3, but only one of them will let you fit all the parts inside the frame. If you like Pincers puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first you have to take a closer look at each part. As you can see, each part is completely different. There are 3 of them. And now let's try to make a correct shape outside the box, and then I will show you how to put all these parts inside. So the shape is going to be following. This part in my left hand is going to be like this. The part in my right hand is going to be like this. And now you have to put them together this way. And now you can add third part, and it's going to be this way, and you have to put it like this. So as you can see, that is the shape that you can create. And now I will show you how to put all these parts inside. So we will start with this part. You have to put it inside this way and leave it outside like this. So next part will be this one. You have to put it inside, then it goes all the way down. Now you have to move it to the right of the frame and push it out so that it's going to stick out from the other side. And now the last piece, you have to put it inside this way, then all the way down and to the right. Now what we have to do is just to put all parts inside, and we will start by moving this part. Next, this part goes to the left, and okay, the first part is supposed to go a little bit up, and the second part goes up here in the middle. That's when you can move this part inside. Now you can move this part to the front a little bit and put it down. It will go down with the first part. And as you can see, all three parts are inside the frame. So the puzzle is solved. Now we have to remove all the parts. To do it, you have to move this part up and move it to the back side of the frame. Next you have to, it will go with the first piece. Next you have to move the third piece that is on the right to the front, like this. Now grab the piece number 1, push it inside and move the piece number 2 that is in the middle to the right. Grab the piece number 1 that is on the left side, put it up and remove it all the way so that it's going to stick from the back side. And now it is pretty easy to remove all other parts. You have to grab the piece that is on the front, move it to the left and remove. Next goes the piece that is on the right. You have to put it inside, 1 step to the left, and then remove from the frame. And then goes piece number 3 or number 1. Okay, that was the disassembling part of the Pincers puzzle. If you enjoyed this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Pelikan or designed by Alexander Majoric, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!